Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify delivery confirmation requirements for PayPal disputes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify delivery confirmation requirements for PayPal disputes, start by logging into your PayPal account on the official website. Navigate to the summary page, where you can see your recent transactions. Find the transaction related to the dispute you want to investigate. Click on the transaction to open the details. Look for the Shipping Information section within the transaction details. Check if any shipping or tracking information has been provided. If no information is present, you will need to gather this from your shipping carrier. If there is tracking information, copy the tracking number for reference. Next, visit the website of the shipping carrier used for the delivery. Enter the tracking number in the appropriate field on the carrier's website. Review the tracking status to confirm if the item was delivered. Take note of the delivery date and time, as this will be important for your dispute. Return to your PayPal account and click on the Resolution Center. Select Respond to a dispute for the transaction you are working on. Prepare to upload any evidence regarding the delivery confirmation. Gather all related documentation such as receipts, tracking details, and any communication with the buyer. You can upload these files directly into the Resolution Center. Make sure to format your evidence clearly and concisely for easy review. Submit your response once you have attached all necessary documentation. Monitor the case for any updates or further requests from PayPal. Stay engaged with the dispute process until a resolution is reached. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.